Is this the best Indian street food in Manchester? Mr. Chaat has just opened in Cheetham Hill. First up, samosa chaats. Crispy samosas smashed with chickpeas, yogurt and tangy chutneys. Tasty Dahi Bhalla drizzled in sweet tamarind. A proper chicken biryani with fragrant basmati rice. Rich lamb curry. Tender and packed with warming spices. Scrumptious keema pav with buttery toasted buns. A classic and strong ginger chai. This paratha stir fry with its chopped flaky paratha tossed in spices. Easily my favourite. And this masala fish was juicy and succulent. If you love proper Indian street food, then this has to be on your list.